Hello friends, welcome to the new video series that is CPR relationship of 2 days. Today I will discuss the strategy 1. There are total of 7 strategy. Uh, One first the recap the what is the pivot, the central pivot range, the CPR. The Jesse Livermore says the way to make money is to make it. The way to make big money is to be right at exactly the right time. Okay, the central pivot range, the CPR is absolutely without a doubt the most powerful part of the pivots indicator. Some authors have called the range the meat of the market, while others refer to the central pivot as the heartbeat of the indicator. In my opinion, the central pivot range is the Swiss knife of pivots. At any given time, the range can be support or resistance. It can forecast trending or sideways price behavior, dictate that day's direction of serve as an integral part of a trend. This range can tell us so much about the potential movement of the upcoming day and even how the period day transpires. Moreover, the placement of the CPR can give you a certain bias about the upcoming day. Knowing the location of the CPR at all time allows you to keep your finger on the pulse of the market and provides you with a significant trading edge. In trading, an edge is all you need to make money. Like the moon, the central pivot range controls the tides of the market. To refresh your memory, I have included the formula for the central pivot point, that is CPR, below, where TC is the top central pivot, BC is the bottom central pivot, and pivot is the central pivot point. The central pivot range formula is the pivot is equal to high, that is previous day high plus low plus close divided by 3, and the BC is equal to, that is the previous day high plus low divided by 2, and TC is equal to pivot minus BC plus pivot. And the central pivot range is this is showing the central pivot range, that is the in the chart at the above, that is R1, R2, R3, and in the below, that is S1, S2, S3, and in the center there is the three lines, that is the top TC, and middle one is the pivot, and below is one is the BC. Understanding how the current CPR, that is central pivot range, relates to a period days CPR will go a long way towards understanding current market behavior and future price movement. There are 7 types of pivot range relationships that should be considered when analyzing the current strength and attempt direction of the market. The first one is the higher value, that is bullish, and second one is the overlapping higher value, that is moderately bullish. Lower, third one is the lower value, that is bearish. Fourth one is the overlapping lower value, that is moderately bearish. And fifth one is the unchanged value, that is sideways or breakout. And sixth one is the outside value, that is it is giving sideways market. And the last one is the inside value. If inside value is showing, then the market will be breakout will give. These are the 7 pivot range relationship, but today I will discuss about the first one, that is higher value for bullish market. Each of the 7 pivot range relationship depends on two important prices: the period day's closing price and the current day opening price. Where the market close in relation to the pivot range gives you an integral differential bias for the following session. The next stage opening price will either confirm or reject this bias, which then gives you a roadmap for which type of trade you should be prospecting. Understanding the dynamic will allow you to better diagnose the market behavior, thus give you the opportunity to enter trades on the right side of the market. I will discuss about higher value relationship. Higher value relationship occurs when the current day pivot range, that is CPR, is completely higher than the previous day CPR. See here, in this is the previous day CPR. Okay, this is the previous day CPR and this is the current day CPR of Nifty of 9th October 2020. Okay, this is the current day is the 9th October and the previous day is the 8th October. Okay, this is the price open above the today's CPR. This is the today's CPR and price open above the today's CPR. Okay, bottom CPR is higher than the top CPR of the previous day. The strategy is the higher value relationship price opens above the today's CPR. Okay, but previous to that, the CPR should be, the current day CPR should be above the previous day CPR. The CPR should be above and the price should be also above of the current day CPR. Then this will be a bullish day. Okay, this is the most bullish relationship of the 7 of 2 day combinations. Therefore, when the relationship develops, your initial directional bias will be bullish. If price closed above its pivot range, then in the previous session, the market is potential to move higher in the upcoming session. See, it is going higher. Okay, this. Okay, however, how the market opens the day will be either confirm or reject this initial bias. If the market open the day anywhere above the bottom of the pivot range, you will look to buy a pullback. Oh, see here is the pullback. If it is open here, the strategy is you don't take buy here. When it is go to pullback, see here, pullback to the below the CPR and there is a green candle. See, your buy should be here only, this point, where your buy should be this point, in this point only, this point, and your stop loss should be below here. Here is the stop loss and your buying should be here and your target should be next resistance. This is the you can sell here. Okay, or you have to trailing your stop loss to next extent. Okay, this is the strategy. Okay, in this the strategy higher value relationship with price open above the CPR. Above the CPR is here. This is the CPR, the price open above the CPR. Okay, then you have to buy only on pullback. This is the strategy. You don't take buy call here. The pullback to the range ahead and of the move to new high. It will move to new high. The previous day high is here and it is given the new high. Okay. This is the especially the case if price opens above the top of the range. The fact of that price closed its pivot range in the period session in the addition to higher value relationship indicates that continuing strength should be seen in the following day as long as the price opened above the bottom of the CPR. Okay, then we have to go for next strategy in this. The next is the price open below the today's CPR. This is the Reliance chart of 16th October. In this, see, this is the previous day CPR, this is the current day CPR. The CPR is open above the CPR is open above the previous day prior day CPR, but the price open below the today's CPR. See, the price open the today's CPR, price open below the today's CPR. Okay, in this case, the in the fact that have the opening price rejected the bullish direction. The opening price is reject the bullish direction. The bias by open will below the pivot range. Okay, that is the below the current day CPR. Addition a very bearish till to the morning. When this occurs, you must observe price to pivot behavior as a test occurs at the pivot range. A rejection at the pivot range should yield another round of selling pressure that pushes price to new lows. See, this is the low, this is the low, new lows. It is which is the case of Reliance. It is in this case Reliance 16th October 2020. I will show you the strategy. In this strategy, if price open below the current day CPR, but the CPR is above the prior day CPR, then you have to think for only short. Okay, in this case, you have to take buy call when the price pull back to the CPR level. You have to sell here at this point only, where you have to sell at this point only, sell here near the CPR, and your stop loss should be above the CPR and also the candles high. Here your stop loss should be here. Okay, then take the move, this much of move. Okay, you have to trailing your stop loss, and then your profit will be more and more. Okay, this is the first strategy I have discussed. In the next video, I will discuss the second strategy of the CPR's relationship, of today CPR relationship. Thank you guys. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video and share the video. Also click on the bell icon for notifying you the new video from me. Thank you guys.